who say Ghana ha and go for bebre protum for come my children no munya quite to be kana or be like no be question no be put me the deal to flat them. You will never accept it. My Jimmy and a 20 dollars council where Jimmy catch a bonny on Tiasis. I line of 20 dollars you said a BB Yemi. Or some Jimmy some catch a bonus and pay Jimmy say on Tiasis. When the bad at Tiasis and what Jimmy say or bad at Tiasis. Good name. Me nkotena abrochire. Me nkojina ayi Togo my videos are the bia me video me cancer me kwa me flash me kwa me flash me nkojina afra wopo ansa makacho se wajimi amaka se wajimi me no mutena haya me no mutena haya wajimi anu makacho se wajimi wo haya me nkodo me nsuro me nkojina baby abrochire for them me support omo because krom ha no nya kasape na we hwehwew na we yibecho na we yibeyesi eti no nyame adom na yenya abrochirefo no mu bieja nyame nsira abrochirefo na mu bieja ni nyina mu bieja ngu omo so nyame nsira mu nyina one by one abrochirefo na mu bieja no me support mu bieja ngu omo nyina mu bieja ngu omo so ba me kwa me plus me no mo betra kroma wajimi anu macha anu makacho se wajimi me nsuro me nkọ ba bia o man na ya wodia untumi ya me hu and I'm going to see some quite me will be me throw beer. Difference na woman no me no what haya na ma catch up and I'm who anim so a me fro no me can tell me video me mudi am body say wo wajimi it na me catch up go bi so mo ajimi it say enkrofobia kwaye press conference kwaye press conference and say ayi osofo Dag Heward Mills wa kan bibie tie otumfo nti kwaye press conference. We share video no na me come adventure on money and coffee. We guys say be struck room house room. Me catch those straight. Me ko baby ah. Me be live video. Me call me. Na me some guys say wajimi a. Me gina to ga kra me san bagana na ma chiro bia me gina say wajimi. Me wa salam down. One of my office wo. Wajimi na won ti ase abra me kan wo. Israel. Unim nipa o mo ye den wa Ghana me nimbi. Oko frère wanya miss me mo bi wo ho me no mo ye boot for boot awo krom ha o me nko ba bia apu TB Joshua 57 ojina ho na wu ye o afena metro me be suro da mewu abobo dam kra ena me tia ye hwe ayi social media ni ade a ye say Ashanti youth akoye press conference say Dag Heward Mills aka bibie tie otumfo hwe mam ka se me chome otumfo me bu ne papa because Ghana ha ahemfo ni nyina enye otumfo a enke ye culture no ayera otumfo na tumi ma modern friends Indomie generation no omo ti culture na se so ye se otumfo ma me ewu na ahemfo ni nyina pie na ye nyom like Ghanaian culture who say it is a display even Rollins a year kra your friend is saying Asante for no mention for no by who say yes because on my be minimum culture biano some my na my papa in the be minimum where they are coming from no omuni culture no so send the panel they are not going anywhere it me sani o man na ya de bia me catch on say mo bia nko tun for asem because at least on to me ya bibia obekuta baby no no promote ho no education a fund your set abebo and but we the munja otumfo no hold ho no na enkaifo no so ye o ma de ne aka no ba mo Ashanti youth for no ya say Ashanti youth obi aka asem bia for otumfo ntenye mo de sa asem na nipa ka for otumfo ho no me so anya me de asem na nipa ka for otumfo ho no me so anya me de wu anya me de ba mo Ashanti youth for no mo ti Ghana ha mo kuro mo kwan ye Muntumi ye press conference and can't aban say Kumasi coin ye muti ho muntumi can't aban say aban Ghana ha gold ye to Ashanti region ye kwan ye and no ye hiamo mensia the baby otumfo wo Bisa Erasmus as I don't call Love FM hospital na wo ho no ye de to social media nkofo say enye Ghana because a young professor wants a side tomorrow mensia government hospital now you better social media no in pada in so turn a good hospital no mu muntumi ya press conference emfa pressure to aban so say aban ase wu sisi an dodo ase Kumasi ye hu ne akọ ase mu bu yan MPP ye to abama mo mobile ban mu a ye hu na mo ye man muntumi ya no ko trans okay press conference obi aka asem Say John Chrome or no name so new hops. Mina said your mammy be so no school more so no minimum be 2 years. And no, they want me your press conference. Fix the country. Want to me starting my own fix Kumasi, fix Kumerica. And no, they Hiamo. Galam say Kuma a Sassi, our Ashanti region. And saying so, Nancy or him because saying so more 2 4 and go 2 4 2 no. Youth no move member together say Ashanti youth yen timo bia me say assassin yen so yan so ye nipa yen ye galam say be mining wo ha enti ye pese yan ye mining yan ye kro ni ye too good na ye de bi e ma ayi aba eto ho ma aba na aba de ye kwan man ye ma Chinese form be fire assassin muti Kumasi youth ma Chinese voice ma afọ ma assassin ase o nyina ade cheve trust be kro mu ye kwasi afọ kra ma me na me yesi mi suro apu me zero na mo ye press conference no asa me ni mu animu but me said any mudi come mudi ba ko mo yan kwase afo mo jimi na nyame na we de kasa be wiase afre me be hwehwe another way to replace wajimi me zero na me to kan me continue reach na fi there o yes be na to me nche me ka kire wo ha ya sa wajimi unim nyansa unti ase ha wu unti ase a wo so be tra Facebook na be didi matambi otumfo ye nyina ebu no me hu se Ghana ha enkrofo bebre otumfo aka mo adwen a kire no na omu nya kwan ti obi kana obi ko like no obi ko share no obi untumi didi otumfo atem you will never accept it untumi didi otumfo atem yenti ase but say na yenti ase no santi na ye ku se mimiti nkran na da bia na me yi Kumasi kwa na me to social media hwe Kumasi hwe Ashanti region hwe school dan hwe say mimiti nkran na me yesa adwuma no e wo Facebook hwe school we hwe kwan ni ha hwe ha Uti Kumasi kwa siye Jimmy for Uti Kumasi wo de untumi nkantra aban se yepa John Mahama na besi ke ayi fensen ayi keje tia market Kumasi why ye campaign ato aba MPP wo ba wo kwan nyina na sem ba Kumasi kwan nyina tutu unya ba bi mfa ene de untumi nka untumi ye press conference Ashanti youth nya ba together na mo ye press conference aban ye ntiase a aban ba be ye nyoma bebre amamu untumi ye wotu ye to abawie ya na microphone na Kumasi so mkosie John Mahama na osi aikejetia ebesi military hospital onwie ya no montumi ya press conference Akufo-Addo bewie military hospital no wotu ya kwaya press conference hwehwe numu ne jimie amunye obi ma ne nka nkire mo jesa microphone tu kwan anso mo akọ mo adwen akire mo apu asa Ghana ha no wo boys am wo boys o bibia wo bia me wo bi eya bisa penfo na okru ma na me asamba me na efra mi o me na obefra mi o me nsuro nka aka sa adwuma we ma 23 years ni come plus me ni bebia me na isi o wo ya me hwe mfa me nsuro mo ya nkwasiafo ma ka kire o munim press conference ya mo nko kan kire aban so onye Kumasi kwan yie Kumasi town roads time mo to men kan no munim press conference ya ko ka kire aban so mention government hospital yen yie When we are gold in free, one or two for your hospital in year, man, baby papa. One press conference, yeah, for Katire, Aban say, Aban, if you Accra to Kumasi Quine, Yan double road, Majimi Dodo, President Kufuor started Accra to Kumasi Quine, or ya bedu soon, President Kufuor free, so besin, ye jack quine to her. Accident, Bia Uben who Kumasi Biano, Kumasi Quine Subiano, na a bass back on the bass back on Omokusia, Adentia. Head-on collision. I don't think I head-on collision every day because fine is and to back tefa na bebom na nipa 50 ewu na nipa say ewu. Mon to me ya press conference aban if you Accra to Kumasi there. Yan double road. Look at press conference yeah na yeah otu for ye nyina na yebu no. Ba mo majimi Wajimi and Attorney Jonas can say Wajimi me catch a boni cron tiases. I line with Jonas you say na bibi yeme. O say Wajimi say me catch a boni say nipa Jimi say on tiases. Boni be that tiases say Wajimi say o be that tiases. Kokon no chikohwe one of the biggest maternity home a champion see no 40 something years ago. Still esi we yensin we ye. Mutumi ye fix Kumasi fix the country nye dede ma ban ye ne o mama mo press conference obi aka asem bia for 214 ye be ye press conference mu nyina youth no maka mo youth me se Ghana ha won upe mu jimi a youth na jimi champion for no but wontumi nka nkire me say Ghana ha na ye wo no ayi youth na wo horo mu nyansa chen otumfo obe de hu nyansa chen otumfo di 60 70 say so abro ye nyansa chen otumfo the wisdom na otumfo wono youth no mu obi youth na jimi Ghana ha ye de oman we ye de share youth na say Rollins be president we di 32 only youth na ye adwuma for so many years Ewa Ghana. Lawrence Bayer president. No we did 32. No we did 32 years. Only youth, you know. You must have for 19 years. Na Ghana she youth nessa. Ghana yen one day. Africa said the youth must rise. The youth must take over. For 19 years, na youth in Ghana. Defense minister on your youth. Defense minister on your youth. Okuje to black on the only youth. Youth na Jimmy. To say Ashanti youth no go press conference no. Munim nyansa. What Jimmy. Kachero won't yasia. Hey, koye video ni bine didi matem. And I went to say and I plus no. And I dey chambe be kumase. Utumi ye hu. Adecha bebe kumase mo da Ashanti you year to about 2016 me fin kan ba Asanwase me na me gina Asanwase when am be election observer me fin kan ba Asanwase 2016 election me fin kan na me ba Asanwase as an observer me be monitor ba mananado and over try say we youth wa bodam we youth why bisa Lincoln so je need to so je ni kutetuo na Lincoln kutetuo ni movie Munyina mu for na youth are youth wine. Me come adwin achero. Ashanti youth. So munim press conference ya. Munya press conference papa. Na nyina yehu. Ade ade mpunto baba wiase hiam ba ku sei hiam ba ku sei. Jimie mo am press conference mo na me ka kire mo se mo magimi. Men crop men anyway am ka kire the wagimi. Mo am press conference no. Magimi tam mataba. Moi, mon ka hona mo press conference ni bi no. Mon start fix Kumase. At least some mutumi ye deda na Kumase Accra kwan no. Ye no double road a beboa. Na mamu ndi ejimi fo na chi. O magimi ade am ye nyansa bi anim ma ka kire wo wonti ase a wu mo ne nyame ye adwuma. Bye bye.